Good day, family. Good day, family. Yes, the first experiment didn't make it right the way we were expecting, but it's okay. So, as I've been trying to chase Harriet and see what she's actually doing in UK 49, I think it's time now. We're going to use something called hot and cold. You know, when I say hot and cold, I mean hot and cold balls. As you can see, these are hot balls and these are cold balls. So this is what I'm going to do here, guys. I'm going to do a recap mixed with the tea, because we don't have to struggle like to calculate in a different way. So what we're going to do as well here, we're going to implement that formula of the blue code, and then in combination with the hot and cold balls. I was doing an analysis with these hot and cold balls. I discovered that we can also be getting numbers from there. For example, now we start with the hot balls. This is what you do. Hot, hot. These balls, they are hot. So you're going to say 3 times 6 equals to an 18. Got our first bank was 18. Then we say 3 plus 6, it gave us a 9. Then 3 minus 6, it's a 3. So a 3 hasn't dropped, ne? So we put a comma there. Then we go and say 3 times 9. 3 times 9 equals to a 27, which dropped 27. Then when we say 3 plus 9 equals to a 12, a 12 that is going to sometimes come as a 21. Cool. So check, ne? Those ones that have came during the lunch, you can just skip them, but those ones that haven't appeared, you will lose them on your tea time. Cool. Then you say 2 times 6, you get 12, which didn't drop. 2 plus 6 is an 8. 2 minus 6 is a 4. So with the hot balls, that's how numbers came about. You see, there was a 9, 18, 27. So we are left with 3, 21, 12, and 8, and 4 for tea time. Cool. Let's move again. I'm not yet done with the hot balls. We're still there in the hot balls. Cool. What you do now to get your bonus ball? 36. Am I minusing? Is 36 minus 39 minus 26 equals to a 29. That came as a bonus. It came as a bonus ball, 29. So remember, this side we were subtracting. Now we're going to add. We're going to say 36 plus 39 plus 26 equals to a 101. This 101, when you subtract this number, you get a 9. When you add, you get an 11. So 9 came, 10 came, and then we were left with 1 and in 11. So do you see what the hot balls did? They did really play a big role in today's lunchtime. They did play a big role in today's lunchtime. So now I think that is another reason why our numbers, they keep on repeating. You understand? Because of the hot and the cold balls. So it's going to help us when we are breaking our code to monitor which numbers have played, which numbers should we play, you see. Cool. So let's move on to the cold balls now. This is the cold side. Cold balls. We're going to say it's a 45, it's a 25, it's a 13. And you know, on these cold balls, one of these numbers is supposed to drop. Remember, this one was supposed to drop today. It didn't. And this one was supposed to drop. It didn't drop. So it's okay. Then you're going to say, because these are cold balls. So with cold balls, we have to add and subtract. 4 plus 5 equals to a 9. That dropped. 4 minus 5 equals to a 1. 2 plus 5 equals to a what? Equals to a 7. Then when you say 2 times 5, you get a 10. That has already dropped. When you say 1 times 3, it's a 3. 1 plus 3 is a 4. So I can see this 3 has appeared, and this 7 also it's appearing. Because when you say 4 times 5, it's a 20. Am I right? It's a 20. So you put your 20 down. So as you can check what I was doing there with the hot and cold balls, that is the trick now. So let's do this with the cold balls. We're not yet done. We're going to say 45 minus 25 minus 18. We get a 7. So can we expect a 7 tonight? Let's expect a 7. Then if we add like 45 plus 25 plus 13 equals to an 83. So maybe let's expect this number to come as a 38 or an 83. This is interesting. This is getting interesting now. I never realized this before, but I can see that there is an outcome from this. So now let's move on to our tonight's quote. Our tonight's quote is 147 195 342. This is the code for tonight. As you can see, these guys from the UK, I'm going to use 2 codes, guys. Please bear with me. This video is gonna be a bit long because I want you guys to understand. We say as usual 1 plus 47 is a 48. It dropped last night, it dropped today again. 47 minus 1 is a 46. 14 plus 7 is a 21. Sorry about that. 14 plus 7 equals to a 21. The one that I was talking about is a 12. 14 minus 7 equals a 7. So as you can see, when we say 4 plus 7 is 11, plus 1 is a 12. Can you see? So that 21 and 12, those numbers are going to cause traffic. And if they cause traffic, this is what they're going to do. She's going to say 1 plus 2, it gives us a 3. Like what she did with that 14. Says 1 plus 4, it gave us a 5. And then 5 was our bank. So keep an eye on that. If a number is played so much, just always add or subtract. You will get your correct one. Then we go to 19. We say 19 minus 5. It comes back again to the 14. 19 plus 5. Let me do this because it's now clumsy. 195. 19 plus 5 equals to a 24. 19 minus 5 equals to a 14. 1 plus 9 plus 5. So it equals to a 15. Can you see that? Cool. Then we go again and say to the last code, say 3, 4, 3. So right there we got a 34 and a 43. So we're going to say 43 plus 3. 43 plus 3 equals to a 46. 43 minus 3 equals to a 40. Then 34, you see, like 34, 2. 3, 4 plus 2 equals to a 36. 34 minus 2 equals to a 32. Can you see that? Can you see what I'm seeing there? So this one was a code A. I know it's a long video, but you guys have to understand it. Cool, let's go to code B. I'm doing those code both codes so that you guys can know exactly which one is the banker. Then the code B says 117 146 263. Normally Harriet likes to hit the numbers on top if she is going to use this. You see, code B was 147 on top, and code A is 117. So as you can see, Harriet, she likes to do this. She can just pick up the 47 there, or 14 17. or 14.7, or she'll just pick up 117. You see on that code. Normally she hits on top, because when you say 1 plus 46 is a 47, it comes again. 1 minus 46 is a 45. So let's break this one into a nice piece. It's 117. 1 plus 17 equals to an 18, the one that came on T. So if a number appears to be like that, you have to say next door 19 or 17. We're giving us it gives us a tracker now. And then 1 plus 1 plus 7 equals to a 9. So when you check, a 10 came. So we focus on 8, because an 18 dropped. So it's going to be an 8 instead of a 9 and a 10. I hope you guys are catching up. Cool. Then we're going to go again and say 1 minus 17 equals to a 16. But I like this pair 117. Cool. This 16 can come in form of 19, or it can come as a 16, because I think it was bonusing during these other days. Okay, cool. Let me conclude now. We've got 263. We say 26 plus 3 is a 29. Numbers are repeating. 26 minus 3 equals to a 23. So a 23 or 32 must drop at night. Okay, then we say 2 plus 6 is an 8. Plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11 is going to be an 11. So this 11 has got a problem. This 11 has got a problem. Let's check this number first. 11 times 2 is equals to 22. 11 times 3 is 33. 11 times 4 is a 44. Guys, okay, keep well, my guys. Hoping for the best on Teatime. If you didn't understand, just start from the beginning with the video. Go slowly with it until to the end. You'll understand from the hot and colds. So if you want to join my group, I'm going to leave a link as usual, guys, because I see people asking, how do I join? Where's the link? How do I get the book? On my first comment, I'm leaving the link. Thank you very much, guys. I'm going to see you on the next video for Powerball. We're going to hit jackpot on Powerball today. Thank you very much. Close this. Or let me just do this. This is my number in case you're failing to see the link. It's 078 126 0741. Simple. It's on WhatsApp, but don't call. Just send a voice note or something. Thank you very much.